Right, hello and welcome back to Gotta Eat. Today we are making Brekkie eggs with MATTS instant mayo. It's gonna be amazing. If you guys wanna check it out, this recipe for the mayonnaise comes from Matt Preston. It's amazing, it's super simple, easy to make. So let's get into it. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need English muffins, 2 eggs, vinegar, shallots, avo, sliced avo, rocket, some oil, Dijon mustard, egg, liquid smoke, lemon juice, salt, and some elbow grease. All right, let's get into it. We're gonna start with the mayonnaise. What you need to do is you don't want the egg yolk to break. That's very, very important when making this mayonnaise. So take your time, be careful, be loving with that egg. And you want to get it, oh, this is probably a little bit big. Oh, we got it, good. You want the egg yolk intact because it's magic that way. All right, then after that, you want to pour over your oil. Try and keep the integrity of that egg. Good, oil's done. Get your Dijon mustard. For quantities, read below. You'll find everything that you need in the description. Come in? Joking, it's me. Right, your lemon juice, and just a pinch, a Salt Bay pinch. Your liquid smoke. I've never heard of liquid smoke before. It's a smoky flavor. You just want 2 drops of these. So 1 and 2. So to finish off your mayonnaise, you want to get your immersion blender all plugged in and nice and ready to go. You want to get this over your egg yolk. That's very, very important to make this instant mayo. So make sure that you're very careful with it to get it over that yolk, okay? You want to pulse it quite slowly just to get the whole thing going. All right, let's do this. And then as soon as it starts to incorporate, you want to lift it slowly to bring everything together. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Instant mayonnaise. Oh my God, that is fantastic. You want to fill a pot up with some hot water and get it onto the boil. Guess we should have filled it, hey? While you're waiting for your water to come to the boil, let's fry up some shallots, let's toast some English muffins, and let's cut up our avo. Great. Now that the water has come to the boil, what we want to do is you want to add in your vinegar into the mix. Grab your spoon. Actually, this is going to be more useful a little bit later. You want to decant your eggs into a little ramekin or something that you can get quite close to the water, because otherwise the egg will disperse and it won't give it that hold, right? So you crack your egg open, you put it into the ramekin, and today there's many ways to skin a cat. There's many ways to poach an egg. Today what we're going to do is we're going to use this little technique that I saw Jamie Oliver use. What he does is he creates a vortex, right? So he swirls the water around, and what this does is this uses centrifugal force to keep the egg together. Quite genius, right? So you swirl it around. Once you got a nice vortex going, you take your egg and you pop it into the middle, right? That takes about 3 minutes for it to come to a nice poach. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plate. Right. One thing just to remember is that the water must come to a rapid boil, but when you're actually poaching the egg, you wanna turn the heat down. It's just so that it's not rapidly boiling, but it's still hot. Okay, grab your English muffin, take a little bit of butter your toasted roll. Good, it's looking great. Take some rocket, place it at the bottom. Rocket just gives it a nice little peppery, spicy flavor. Grab a few of your shallots that are now beautifully fried and roasted. Grab your avo. So I'm a huge avo fan. Ooh, that one slipped away. Definitely, avo has got some great essential oils on it, which is absolutely beautiful to start your day off. Okay, so you want to get yourself a spoon or a spatula type of vibe. I don't know what these are called, but it's got holes in it. The holes are very, very important because you don't want to take the water with you. You want to take the egg out and you want to drain the water so that you can get it ready for presentation. How are we on the clock? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right, you drain all that excess water off, take your egg, your poached egg, and it goes beautifully on top. Look at that. Right, so at this point, what you want to do is season it to your tasting. Just grab a pinch of salt over the top, some pepper if you want over the top. But the pièce de résistance is our homemade mayonnaise. Grab yourself a nice dollop of that to go right over the top. Right, and there you go. Brekkie eggs with MATTS instant mayo, ready to serve, ready to eat, ready to enjoy. Just before we have a taste, this is my first poached egg. I'm really proud of this one. And let's get some of MATTS instant mayo. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. This looks delicious. Cheers. Oh my goodness. It's so fresh. It's amazing. The mayonnaise complements everything in the dish so well. The egg is poached absolutely to perfection. And this is something that is really, really easy. It was my first time doing it. So if I can do it, you guys can definitely do it. So thank you so much for joining us for breakfast this morning on Gotta Eat, because everyone's gotta eat some breakfast. So good.